Nangamalari, Aunty here again, and I believe we have a question for Ask Aunty.
Aunty, a question I've often had too as a non-Indigenous person, sorry. I feel, and I've grown up with a deep connection to country and land. How do I express that without taking away or misappropriating and honouring that connection that First Nations people have with country?
Yeah, that's a really good question. The important thing is that you don't speak for Amoa and you don't speak for country with that authority. You can speak about your relationship to land, and that's very important to do so. And really pleases my heart to, or makes my heart sing, as some people would say, to hear you talk about the connection that you have with country. That's your own personal connection, and it's fantastic to have.
Yeah, and country is family, so by loving country, healing country, honouring country, acknowledging country and the ancestors and traditional owners as allies, that's something we can do every day, isn't it, Auntie?
And long as you're looking after the country, the old spirits will be really pleased with you. That's the main thing, is to look after country. Clean it up, get rid of the rubbish and what have you.
Inyirugugona.
Go well.